Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. Before you speak, think. Is it true? Is it helpful? Is it inspiring? Is it necessary? Or is it kind? Think about what you say before it comes out of your mouth. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have sausage biscuit. For lunch it's chicken tenders. And on Friday for breakfast we're going to have yogurt, and for lunch a corn dog. Today's birthdays are Kyrie Ford and Doriana Moore. Happy birthday! A few announcements. Students, teachers, make sure you're checking those grade books and make sure you don't have missing assignments. The math fluency kits are in Ms. Spiegelberg's room. You can pick yours up after you have completed your training. Also, make sure you have updated your PLP with at least one piece of evidence by the end of the week. Read Across America / Dr. Seuss Week is next week, so we are going to celebrate reading. Can't wait. On Friday, we have a special fundraiser, Spirit Day, at the Skyline Nutrition Spot, so go by there and have teas, shakes, and other goodies, and those will all benefit our school, so that is an exciting way to support our school by getting some goodies. So important dates coming up. So all this week we are testing, we are doing some practice ACAP testing in the computer lab, in the collab lab. Yesterday we had PST. Today was supposed to be Spring Picture Day, but we are having to reschedule that date, so we will not have spring pictures today. Those will be rescheduled for another time. The mid-quarter is Friday, so make sure we have all those assignments in. Also Friday, when your math fluency kit training should be complete, and you need to go pick up your kit from Ms. Spiegelberg by then. Next week, we have the iReady progress monitoring, so that will be taking place. And then after that, we have the ACAP coming up. Our word of the day is decompose. Decompose. Now, you may have heard of the word decompose in your science class, but this word is talking about in relation to math and breaking apart numbers. An alternate meaning is to separate a number into two or more parts. So in science, you think about it breaking down something that was once living, and in math, we're still breaking something down. We're breaking this number 342 apart into smaller chunks. So we broke apart 342 into 300 plus 40 plus 2. So decompose, either way, you're thinking of breaking down something and breaking it apart into smaller pieces. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.